In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. Then click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature. As you can see, my switcher is blue, which means that auto brightness is enabled. To disable it, click the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!